Okay, do you see my screen, guys?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
great. Okay, so first of all, we have to learn with you, how do we call parts of a division, right? Or how do we call numbers in division, right? We learned with you last year this one, because in multiplication, how do we call numbers in multiplication? Tell me. Do you remember? How do we call numbers in multiplication? Who can tell me?
Divided.
Sorry?
Divided.
No. In multiplication, I'm talking about multiplication, Bua. How do we call numbers in multiplication? Do you remember?
Multiplicand.
Multiplicand, good.
Multiplier.
Multiplier, great. And the result is? Product. Yes, that's right, product. If in multiplication, as we learned with you, we have multiplicand, that one is the first number. Multiplier, so that one is the second number, right? And product, that one is the result, right? The result of multiplicand and multiplier. So good. And in division, we also, the numbers have their own names in division. In division, we have dividend, the first number. Let's say dividend.
Dividend.
Okay, good, dividend. Next, divisor.
Divisor.
Good. And the result is quotient.
Quotient.
Quotient. Good. And as well, we have remainder. Remainder. Yes, remainder. Do you remember that the last year we learned with you division with a remainder, right? So that one is in division. Okay, good. So that one you have to memorize. And when we write it in a vertical form, you see, in a vertical form, we have vertical form as well. The divisor, second number, comes here first, divisor, right? If we divide 11 by 2, 11, we want to divide 11 by 2, right? So we have to write in vertical form first 2, then second 11, right? So first divisor, next dividend, and the quotient is on the top, right? The quotient, the result is on the top. Okay, so, and we have a remainder as well, right? So that means 11 divided by 2. Yeah, how do we read it? If multiplication, we read 2 times 3, right? Or in multiplication, 6 times 5, or 23 times 11. So in division, we say 11 divided by 2. Divided by, yeah. 11 divided by 2 equals 5 with a remainder 1. Yeah, that one is the reading, how we read it. Okay, divided by. Okay, good. Well, let's repeat one more time. How do we call numbers in division? Very quickly, all together, guys. The first number is
Dividend.
dividend. Second number,
Divisor.
divisor, not divisor. Divisor. Okay, one more time together. Divisor.
Divisor.
Good. And the result is
Quotient.
Quotient. Quotient.
Quotient.
All together. Quotient.
Quotient.
I can hear only Bua. I say it all together. Repeat, guys. Quotient. Today you are very slow. I don't like. You are not active at all. I don't like it. I have to tell teacher Caio. Just complain because you don't want to work today. I understand that today is Monday and you feel still relaxed after weekend, but please, we have to work. Okay, so as a result is together.
Quotient.
Good. Quotient. And as well, we have what?
Remainder.
Reminder. Very good. Quotient with the reminder. Okay, good. So, and now let's move to our book. And today we are going to learn how to divide numbers by one-digit numbers, right? One-digit numbers. Actually, these are the numbers ending with zeros, right? So that one is the page 112. Open your books on page 112. Okay, good. Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. So then we have to divide numbers. If we want to divide numbers, we have to know multiplication table, right? If we don't know multiplication table, it's impossible to do division, right? Without multiplication table, just no way. So that's why multiplication table is, if for example this the multiplication is repeated addition, right? So we can add, right? We can add 24 times 6. For example, we know that we have to add 24 6 times, right? So 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24, right? So, but here in division, that one is also possible with doing subtraction, right? With doing subtraction, but it's a very, very long way. No one does it, and also everybody uses multiplication table. The multiplication table in your head should be. All right, so, and here we have to divide 2,400 by 6. How are we going to do this? What should we do first, right? So we have to divide first. We have a look on examples here. 24 divided by 6. So we have to think, okay, so just imagine multiplication table by 6, right? And we think, okay, 6 times which number will be 24? Tell me, 6 times which number will be 24?
4.
Yes, 4. 6 times 4 is 24. That's why just we have to swap it, and then 24 divided by 6 is 4, right? So because 6 times 4 is 24, and 24 divided by 6 is 4. Okay, good. Next, 240 divided by 6. 240 divided by 6. Again, what do we do? we divide 24, right, by 6, and we transfer 0 to the end. That one is just if only one number has zeros. If the both numbers has zeros, if the both numbers have zeros. So that one is the different. That one is the different. But here we have only one number has zeros. So the dividend, right? So the dividend has 0, right? It has zeros. That's why these zeros we have to transfer to the end, right? To the quotient, same like with the multiplication. But if 240 divided by 60, that one is totally different story. That one is a different story. If you see like this, 200, we will learn it with you later, I think. So 240 divided by 60. So what is the quotient? If we have here 60, for example, not 6. If we have here 60, for example, 240 divided by 60 is equal to
400.
No, that's wrong. Don't compare it with multiplication. No, with multiplication, you have to count the number of zeros and transfer them. But that one is division. What should you do? You have to cut zeros. If you cut the equal number of zeros, you cut this 0 and you cut this 0, right? And 240 divided by 60 is equal to
4.
4. Yes. In division, you cut zeros. So cross zeros, cut zeros, the number of zeros. Same here. Like if we will have here, so 2,400 divided by 60. So again, what should we do? First of all, we cut zeros, right? We cut zeros. And that one is the option when you have the zeros in your divisor and in your dividend, right? So you cut zeros and 1 0 left. You see 1 0 left. This 0 you have to transfer to the quotient, right? And 2,400 divided by 60 is equal to
40.
40. Yes, you see. So in division, if you have zeros in both numbers, in divisor and in dividend, you have to cut the number of zeros. Yeah, and if something left, you just add them to the quotient. Okay, so that one is the strategy for dividing. But now we learn with you very simple. We have just zeros only in, quotient. Oh, sorry, in dividend. We have zeros only in dividend, right? That one I showed to you. We will learn it later, but that one you will get an idea what to do with zeros in both. Okay, so, and here we have just only 1 0. So that's why nothing to cut. Yeah, nothing to cut. That's why this 0 we transfer to the product, to the quotient. Right? Here we have, how many zeros do we have here? 2,400. How many zeros do we have?
2.
2, yes. And these 2 zeros we have to transfer to the quotient, right? So we have zeros only in dividend, right? Only in dividend we have zeros. So that's why nothing to cut. That's why we have to transfer them. Same here. 24,000, right? So we have here 3 zeros, and the same 3 zeros we have to transfer to the quotient, right? To the quotient. Same here. If, for example, you will see the example, right, like this, 240,000 divided by 6, right? So divided by 6 is equal to, tell me, 240,000 divided by 6 is equal to, tell me, guys. Faster, faster. 4,000. Yes, of course. Not 4,000. Not 4,000. How many zeros do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So all these 4 zeros we have to transfer. Okay, 24 divided by 6 is
40,000.
okay, 4. Good. And here we have 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 40,000. 240,000 divided by 6 is equal to 40,000, because we have here 4 zeros. Same 4 zeros we transfer to the quotient, right? We transfer to the quotient. All right, so is it clear, guys? Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Yes, I think that it's quite simple. It's quite simple because here we have only zeros in dividend, right? So only zeros in dividend. So nothing to cut. Okay, then let's practice. Let's practice. Very, very, very fast. Very fast. Let's do practice on page 112. All right, so who wants to start? I think Porter. Porter, please read the number sentence and tell the answer.
Is
Uh,
one. Answer is one. เวลาหน้าปิดไม้ซะงั้น
so Porter, so read the number sentence. 9, say 9 divided by
9 is why
divided by Porter, divided by
9 is 1.
1. Very good. So 9 divided by 9 is 1. Okay, next one. Porter, same, please. 90.
90 divided for is 1.
No, 90 divided by 9. Porter, repeat, please. 90 divided by 9.
90 divided 9.
Divided by 9.
Divided by 9.
Divided by 9.
Divided by 9.
Okay,
is 10.
10. Very good. 10, because we have only 1 0 in our dividend, right? In our dividend, we have only 1 0, and this 0 we have to transfer to the quotient. Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you, Porter. Okay, next, Manta, please.
900 divided by 9 is is 100.
Very good. It's 100 because we have 2 zeros in our dividend. Yeah, in our dividend. Okay, so next, Monte, one more.
9,000 divided by 9 is 1,000.
Is 1,000. Great job. Is 1,000 because in our dividend we have 3 zeros, right? Is 1,000. Okay, good. These 3 zeros we have to transfer. Okay, so all right, Fanzai, please can you read the next number 2?
54 times.
No, it's a dividend.
64 divided by 6 equals 9.
Equals is or
Nine.
equals, right? So equals or is. You can say is 9.
9.
Okay, one more, Fanzai.
514 divided by 6 is 90.
Very good. It's 90 because we have only 1 zero in our dividend. Okay, good. So thank you very much, Fanzai. Okay, so next, Andaman, can you read the next? No, 5,000.
5,100.
No, that one is not 500, Andaman. What is this number?
5,400.
Good. Divided by
Divided by 6
is
is 900.
900. Very good. Yes, because we have 2 zeros here. Okay, next, one more, Andaman.
9,000.
Andaman, faster, read one more.
5,400.
No, the next one, Andaman.
5.
How do we read this number, Andaman?
4,000. 54,000.
54,000.
54,000.
Divided by
Divided by 6
is
9,000.
9,000. Very good. So 9,000. Okay, good. Thank you. Good job. All right. So next, who didn't work program? Please, next one, number 3. Program number 3. Program faster, please.
Yes, teacher.
Please read number 3 program.
14. 14.
Divided by
14.
program divided by
7
is okay. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Very good. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Good job. Okay, one more program. One more program. Read.
20.
140
114
divided by
divide 7
divided by 7 divided by 7 program
divided by 7
is
22
20. Yes, that's right. 20. Good job. Thank you so much, program. Okay, in 10 minutes our session will be over and we have to reconnect with you. All right, so next, Chicken, please read the next one. Chicken, can you read the next one? Do we have Chicken here? Chicken, can you hear me? Chicken is not here today. Okay, Tete, can you read, please? Tete, read.
1,400.
No need and no need. 1,400.
1,400
Divided by.
divided by
Divided by.
divided by
7
7
is.
if 2,000.
No. No. How many zeros do we
200.
have here? Yes, 200. That's right. 200 because here we have only 2 zeros. Yeah, don't forget, and we have to transfer 2 zeros. Okay, next, Tete, one more. Tete, one more, please.
1,400
No,
divided by 7.
no, that one is not the next number sentence, Tete. This number sentence. Read the next number sentence, this one, Tete. This number sentence, how do we read this number? How do we read this number, Tete?
1,400.
No, that one is not 1,000. 1,400 is this one. This one is 1,400, right? Here, 1,400 divided by 7. This one is 1,400, but the next one, the last one, how do we read this number? It's not same like here. It's a different number. How do we read this number? Who can help him? Who can help him?
14,000. 14,000.
Yes, exactly. Tete, that one is 14,000. 14,000, not 1,400. Say 14,000. Tete,
14,000.
that's right. 14,000 divided by 7. Tete, read it faster, please, Tete. Tete, are you here?
Yes.
Please read the number sentence. Tete, faster. 14,000 divided by 7. Repeat.
40,000 divided by 7.
Divided by 7.
Divided by 7.
Not by. Divided by 7.
Divided 7.
Divided by 7.
Divided by 7.
Good. Can you read it again, Tete? Repeat it again. 14,000
14,000
divided by
7
is
is 2,000.
very good. Is 2,000. Yes, that's right. Because in 14,000 we have 3 zeros, which we have to transfer to the quotient. Yeah. So 14,000. Okay. Thank you, Tate. Okay. So next, Chaim, please read the next one.
28 divided by 4
Is
7.
7. Good job. Next, one more.
280 divided by 4 is 70.
70. Very good. 70 is 70. 280 divided by 4 is 70. Okay, great. So next, Niall, please read. Niall, number 9. Niall, Naravit, are you here?
Yes.
Please read the next one.
2,800 divided by 4 is 700.
Good job. Okay, and the next one, Niall?
28,000 divided by 4 is 7,000.
Perfect. Good job, Niall. Thank you so much. So 7,000. That's right. That's right. Okay, great. Because last year we learned with you, right? Division, and we know how to read the numbers. We know everything. Great. I like it so much, Niall. Okay, so next, page 113. Very quickly as well. We have to finish it because we have here just few minutes left till end of our session. Okay, let's do it, guys. So let's do it very fast. Beth, can you read, please? Number 1, page 113.
Yeah, teacher.
Yes, please read. Number 1.
45 divided by 5 is teacher.
9, of course. 45 divided by 9 is 45 divided by 5 is 9. Sorry, Zen, it was you, not Niall. Number 9, it's Zen. I confuse it. Okay, so just now I just think why I called number 9 Niall. Niall is number 8. Okay, good. So Bab, next one. One more. Bab, one more. Bab.
45. Yes.
No, that one is not 45.
450 divided by 5.
Very good. Divided by 5 is
90.
90. That's right. Great job. Okay. Very good, Bab. Thank you so much. All right. So next, turn number 1. Turn number 1.
Yes.
Yes. Can you read the next number sentence? What should we write here? Something divided by 5 is 900. Hmm? What do you think? If you want to find out and you don't know which number we have to write here, I give you a hint. You have to 900 multiplied by 5, right? So make the opposite. 900 multiplied by